Hey people, alright, I wanted to show you how my Bluetooth gear shift knob works. The reason I like this Soundbot Bluetooth is because generally, like if I have, like I got a Pioneer here, or which doesn't have Bluetooth, so that's why I have this Soundbot Bluetooth device I got off of Amazon. But my other Pioneers, they generally would take about 45 seconds before they would sync up with my phone, you know, and it would just, I'm ready to hop in the ride, hit my jam, and go. So that's what I like about it. I'm going to throw my phone on the dash. We're going to crank it up. You'll probably hear a little beep, and it's connected that fast. I'm not going to crank it actually. And it's connected. So then what I can do, I can just ride down the road. I can hit the button, play the music. Works really good. I'm not hitting any buttons. Hit my next button. Very cool. Stop it, pause it. You're riding down the road. Oh, I want to jam. Take your phone calls. Just don't cover the mic. Good to go.
And the sky was made of amethyst, and all the stars are just like little fish. You should learn when to go. You